Okay, very good morning, everyone, and welcome to the briefing for Thursday, the 15th of June. So, taking a look at the chart, we see still got this high pressure over the top of us that we've had for 3 or 4 weeks, but the picture is changing slightly. But still got easterly winds today, but these isobars becoming quite far apart, so nice and light for us today. We have got the system out to the west developing, so it'll be interesting to see what that does over the next few days. And as we go ahead, well, it looks like it is sort of fizzling out a little bit. Much the same picture tomorrow. And as we go into the weekend, potentially some slightly unsettled weather. You see these trough lines and fronts dotted around. Spot winds today, over the centre of the country, it's saying easterly at 5 knots, towards the south coast, more northeasterly at 15 knots. So probably in the region of east to northeast at about 10 knots in our area. That's current view from above, pretty clear over most of the country. Just a little bit of cloud out to the west, but pretty much clear at the moment. And the public forecast is showing a nice sunny day with a top temperature of 25 degrees with a fairly light northeasterly wind. So it will feel very warm and got quite a high UV index of 8 around midday. GFS is showing in our area, top temperature maybe about 24, 25 degrees, with dew points sat at about 12 or 13. So we can hope for some cumulus. And that's the current view outside, with a little bit of high level cloud at the moment, but really not very much. Actually see that jet just sat there that landed a few minutes ago. Current temperature at Lasham is 19 degrees, dew point of 13, showing very light wind from the north. Farnborough's Met are really not saying a lot at all. We've got that 5 knots of wind from the northeast, and their forecast is really not very much. They're saying actually variable wind, and they are suggesting no clouds at all. Well, Top Meteo is showing a potential flight distance of up to sort of 500-600 kilometres today over quite a lot of the country, certainly up to the north. And if we look at our thermals, probably not getting going till near on midday. We've got 12 o'clock here, and it's showing convection up to 1600 meters. As we go into the afternoon, you see these areas of cumulus, so suggesting that we hopefully will have some over us. This is 3 o'clock, and it's showing thermals up to over 2000 meters. So we're looking at potentially 6,000-7,000 feet. So it could be quite a nice day. Going quite late. This is 7 o'clock, and it looks like it's not really packing up until then. See, 6 o'clock, it's still showing good thermals up to about 6,000-7,000 feet, and then starting to slow down with potentially a sea breeze here. Okay, NOTAMs, there's a couple. There's 29 here, which is our slightly misinterpreted NOTAM. It's supposed to be saying we're busy, but it's saying we've still got the comp on. But there's 2 important ones, really. Number 31 up here, Keyville is active today. And 42 up here, parachuting at Little Wissington. But that's the 2 main ones around here. Anyone going further away, have a look for yourself. Okay, operationally, we're going to be 09, launch point in normal position with the winching on the south side. The cable is just running along here somewhere. We will have a grid today. Now that's going to be in a reasonably normal position. We're asking for people not to go any further forward than the 1-6 intersection, pretty much. So starting about here somewhere, due to that light easterly wind. Majority of the tugs will go to the grid, but if you feel you're a bit heavy for that, do come to the launch point, and we will allocate some tugs to come to the launch point to launch the Aerotos from there for the heavier gliders. That's pretty much it. There's no more jet movements other than the one we've had this morning, so it should be a very nice day. See you on the airfield. Bye for now.